All right, everybody. Kelly here with the Real Estate Agent Ninja Group. And today we want to talk about something coming to Clermont, Florida. What am I talking about? We are getting a Costco's. Now, for some of you, this is really, who cares, right? But for those of you in Clermont that are looking for options, this is amazing. Now, what is this going to mean for shopping? Right now in Clermont, we all obviously have Targets, we've got the grocery stores, we've got Walmart, and they're crowded, right? They're crowded. We do have a BJ's. I had a membership there. Again, what we were looking for here in Clermont were options. Well, Costco heard. And what they did is they are in the midst of building right now. And if you know anything about Clermont, this direction takes you to Orlando. Over here takes you to downtown Clermont. Theme parks are in that direction, and then of course going up north takes you, to sites like Gainesville, all of that. So this is kind of nestled right in the western flank of where Clermont would be. And so if you're familiar with Highway 50, you've got Headquarters Mazda, you've got Toyota, you've got Hyundai here, Don Mealy Chevrolet, and then you've got some other proposed developments. But right here on this pad, we are going to be getting our Costco. Now, originally, they were saying to us that it was going to be open November of 2022. That's not going to happen right now. So we're looking for projected open date sometime early to middle part of next year. And I believe this is going to be 151,000 square feet of shopping. It's in a great location, easy access from Turnpike, easy access on Highway 50. And it's far enough away from downtown Clermont or some of the more populated areas that I don't think traffic is going to be as big a deal, right? So what does this mean for Clermont? Again, choices. We're going to have more choices here in Clermont. So with the addition of Costco's, let's just briefly, and we've touched about this on other videos, let's talk about really 5 different reasons, including stuff like this Costco coming in, that people are moving to Clermont. I think number one, we've got to look at the downtown Clermont revitalization. So if you like that old town look, you know what I'm talking about. Old buildings, brick streets, just absolutely gorgeous, nightlife all lit up, things to do. Clermont is your town. Downtown Clermont is an old town, but they have taken great pride in revitalizing the area, putting in new brick streets. We've got 3 or 4 breweries that have moved in, several very nice non-chain restaurants where the food is absolutely amazing. We'll cover those on this channel, but these are just some of the things that are part of the revitalization. What's something else that makes Clermont so unique? Florida's not hilly. We're pretty flat, right? if you've lived in Florida like I have all my life, it's pretty flat. Well, Clermont is kind of a slice of the north, but in central Florida. We are a high elevation, probably one of the highest elevation cities in the state. I think the last time I checked with my car, because it has this, I don't know if you call it altimeter, but it tells you how high you are. We were 119 feet above sea level at the part of Clermont that I live in, and there's other areas that are even higher. So really great, beautiful rolling hills. If you love that kind of thing, this is your bomb diggity. All right, chain of lakes. Clermont happens to be in a county called Lake County, and it's not named Lake County because it's no lakes. It's named correct. There are a lot of lakes in Lake County. You've got in Leesburg, you've got the Harris chain of lakes. In Clermont, we've got the Clermont chain of lakes, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They're very unique because of the trees that we have growing around the lake. They bleed off into the water, kind of a rustic color. So our lakes have that tea look, right? That rustic color look. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we've got just activities galore for families with our lakes. Number 4, sporting events. All right. We've got all year round sporting. I mean, if you like soccer, I never heard of this until it came to Clermont. Dragon boat racing, right? We've got that worldwide tournaments here. We've got triathlons here. We've got an event which isn't sporting, but man, it's a worthy mention called a Pig on the Pond. Now, I know those of you are going, oh my God, Pig on the Pond. It's like hokey. No, there's like 50,000 people that come to this. They do fireworks. They've got a fair. They've got barbecue contests. So Just some amazing stuff going on in Clermont. And then at number 5, we're literally 25 minutes from all of the major theme parks near Orlando. We're talking Disney, SeaWorld, Universal, and on and on. So if that's your thing and you love to get out, as a Florida resident, they offer season pass holder tickets. Now check the local prices, but they are so inexpensive, guys, compared to buying daily tickets that are expensive. You can become a Florida pass holder, specifically to Disney, save thousands of dollars and get discounts like free parking. I mean, it's like 25 bucks not a park, I think, at Disney. Well, with these pass holder events, you get a lot of free gifts and bonuses. So that is a bonus when you live in Florida. And when you're in Clermont, you're right near all these theme parks. And guys, we're literally maybe an hour, a little over an hour, depending on how fast you drive, to either the West Coast or East Coast beaches. You can either go to the Gulf, Tampa area and have some beautiful beaches, or you can go to Daytona, Ormond Beach, Cocoa Beach, classic icon beaches, and enjoy yourself. So there you go, guys. Absolutely an amazing place to live. Costco's is opening up. BJ's is here. All of the other, we've even got a killer theater called Epic Theater here. Ooh, just saw Black Adam there. Anyway, I digress. If you are thinking about moving to Clermont, my contact information will be below. I would love to share with you what's happening, what the housing market looks like. We can talk about pricing trends. We can talk about current interest rates and how that affects you. We can talk new construction. We can talk any type of real estate question you want. Just look below the video. You'll see my contact information. As always, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Stay in the know with my channel. I would love to have you on this journey with me as we build up this channel putting some great content, not only just Clermont, but Lake County, Central Florida, because we're literally in Lake County, especially Clermont, we're near Winter Garden, Orlando, Davenport, Lakeland, Haines City, Winter Garden, the Villages. I'm 30 minutes from the Villages, one of the largest 55 plus mega complexes in the United States. This is in our background. So again, all things real estate, stay tuned, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and walk with me on this journey. All right, guys, that's it. Check out Clermont. I think you're going to love our city. See you on the next video.